The big secret to finding out how to be happy while letting others also be happy is pretty simple. First, learn what makes other people happy and let them do their thing. Then you find out what makes you happy and you do your own thing. The most important thing is to not get in the way of what makes other people happy and hope that they return the same respect to you. For example, it seems that on the internet today, 90% of the people on it love to complain, whether or not they have any idea or any real knowledge into what they're talking about. While this is very annoying to most people, including myself, let them be. If that's what they want to do, great. Let them have their excitement, let them have their fun, let them get off on pissing other people off. That's perfectly fine. You should not interfere with this, as hard as it may seem. Because at the end of the day, all this is going to do is make that person unhappy because you're impeding on their speech and their beliefs. And it's going to make you unhappy because the logic-minded person in you is going to question how anyone could live that way, how people could want to live their lives complaining, feeling the way that they do about every little situation. So either way, it's going to be a lose-lose situation. Some people enjoy sports, while others enjoy video games. Some people enjoy working out, while others enjoy couch surfing. Some people enjoy the color blue, while others enjoy the color red. What I'm getting at here is that each and every single one of us is different, meaning that each and every single one of us has their own path to happiness. The most important thing is that we do what makes ourselves happy, and in return, don't impede on what makes other people happy. This is not going to help anyone in the end, and I cannot stress that enough. Now, I know that this is not a perfect world. There are going to be people who try to impede on your happiness, who try to knock down what makes you happy and what you find enjoyable. It's not always the easiest thing, but the key is to try to stay in your lane. Don't let this person or people, group of people, get on your nerves. Just let them do their thing, be the bigger person, because at the end of the day, what you really should be doing to find true happiness in life is double, triple, even quadruple down on what makes you happy and surround yourself with it. Don't let any negative energy in. I can promise you that that's just going to lead to a life of you not being the person who you want to be and you not finding and getting out of life all that it is that you deserve. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it enjoyable. I hope that you thought to yourself, that is pretty simple. Because it is. But it's not always the easiest thing to do because it's not how all of us are wired. So really take in what this video said, apply it to your own life. I hope that you found great value in it. Thank you.